I'm sleeping and I wake up. It sounds like hail and the thunder is so loud. At first I was scared and then I was just like, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, because I like couldn't sleep.
I usually do. My closet's a mess. I just grab what's closest. I see. You might not be the perfect match after all. Yeah. What kind of book? She's beautiful. Did you guys deliver her? Well, we helped a little, but Mocha here was a real champ. She's a beauty, all right.
Shut up! It's quiet. No more thunder. Watching Hannah Montana. It's quiet. It's not that quiet anymore. I'm watching Icky Chicky Hair cartoon. Yep.